by delivering about 10.5 million ICE vehicles globally in 2025. Toyota was a leader in the electric vehicle industry. Additionally, 8.9 million vehicles were produced and delivered by the Volkswagen Group this year. Meanwhile, in 2021, Tesla only delivered 938,172 cars, before declaring that he anticipated the electric vehicle market would produce more than 30 million new vehicles annually over the next 7 years. Black Powder Rifle had stated that, although it was feasible to achieve this goal in at least 5 years, it was unrealistic and would require continuously excellent performance. Hi everyone, happy return. According to Musk, Tesla is expected to produce 20 million electric vehicles annually before 2030. This number is more than several times the 365,000 vehicles it produced in 2019. Therefore, the fact that Tesla stock is currently falling short of forecasts is not news. It is better to invest in Tesla's strategy as a long-term financial backer, rather than evaluating the company just on the basis of a cursory assessment. In a few years, Tesla plans to increase or triple its valuation, regardless of how cheap its stock is now. And we should figure it out while the EV manufacturer has the chance to do this. However, before we do, please remember to like and subscribe, enable notifications, push the latest on everything, and so on. If you enjoy this type of information. In his remarks at Tesla's annual investor meeting, Musk confirmed that the company plans to build more gigafactories in the near future. He stated that the company will likely build 10 to 12 data factories, with each one having the potential to produce between 1.5 and 2 million vehicles annually. Tesla might be able to produce about 20 million electric cars annually at this rate, with most people anticipating its announcement in the near future. Tesla is now looking for a suitable site for its next gigafactory. I've heard rumors of a possible gigafactory in Asia, and there have been signs that the new site will be in Canada. FSD will probably already be incorporated into Tesla vehicles by 2030, which would boost car sales even further. Tesla's newest driver assist software this year is called full self-driving, although the phrase full self-driving isn't totally true, because it requires drivers to pay attention. Cars with this software will need less driver input than ever before. Autopilot has been a feature of Tesla cars for a while, but it only functions under certain circumstances, even on highways with traffic signals. FSD provides a significant improvement and enables Tesla vehicles to function with only a little amount of driver input. More customers are likely to purchase Tesla automobiles in the future as a result of the convenience this technology provides, which will greatly increase the company's revenues. The price of Tesla's FSD package was recently and formally increased to $15,000. Musk has claimed that Tesla will continue to progressively raise the cost of its FSD package as functionality advances, leading to the final version of the product the capacity to drive entirely independently, much like most others have said over the past few years. Every single FSD upgrade, in Tesla's opinion, brings the package one step closer to its objective. And some of these improvements call for additional package price hikes, according to the business. Tesla's FSD Beta version 11 will be made available to all customers in the United States and Canada who have paid for and requested the Advanced Driver Assist Suite, which is basically FSD. Another factor that has accelerated Tesla's growth is its investment in renewable energy. Musk put up a plan in 2020 to shift society's energy consumption to more sustainable sources. The strategy calls for drastically boosting battery production. As announced during Tesla's Battery Day, there are more methods to use electricity from sporadic sources like sunlight and wind. When there are more batteries, since there are more places to store power, Musk claims that a battery can assist in supplying renewable energy around the clock. When a solar panel provides power during the day or a wind turbine produces energy during a breeze, after that, it can be utilized in residences, workplaces, or even moved to different batteries. Similar to those found in electric cars, Tesla wants to grow its energy business The EV manufacturer revealed in 2016 that it was proposing to buy solar panel manufacturer SolarCity in an all-stock transaction valued at $2.6 billion in Tesla equity. Based on his vision for the future of energy storage, transportation, and a green economy, Musk claims that the merger will result in enormous cost and revenue synergies. Musk has promised a really huge clean energy enterprise by announcing that Tesla will boost its solar and energy storage company in 2022. He stated that although supply chain limitations have hindered the expansion of Tesla's energy division, the company still plans to increase production and deploy more quickly than vehicle manufacturing if those problems are fixed. Similar to Musk, Tesla bulls like Chamath Palihapitiya think that the company's EV division was the initial surge in growth and will eventually give way to a stronger emphasis on renewable energy. According to the Tesla bull, the company is at the forefront of electrification and decarbonization, and once investors realize how profitable its expanding energy sector is, it will be worth trillions of dollars. Musk's engagement with Twitter is one of the main elements influencing Tesla's valuation at the moment. There would probably be less worry about Tesla's performance if Musk could find a new president for the business, according to several investors. Musk uses Twitter excessively at the moment. He has stayed to Twitter headquarters a lot since assuming control of the social media platform. Even sleeping there, Elon Musk has acknowledged that until the business is stabilized, he will stay at the San Francisco headquarters to work and sleep. Although these actions are essential for growing the company, they don't foster confidence way Tesla's primary functions do. Investors worry that Musk's new acquisition is taking up too much of his time. According to Dan Ives, Musk has succeeded in crushing Tesla stock, something the bears had been unable to do for years due to the dropping stock price. Many investors believe that a stock buyback might be what the company needs to support the price. Investors complain that Tesla's value dropped, but it recovered after Musk sold almost $4 billion worth of stock, bringing his total sales for the past year to $36 billion. Tesla's investors have been seeking for signs of a buyback. Elon Musk mentioned during Tesla's second quarter results call that the business was working on the proper procedure to carry out a repurchase of anywhere between $5 and $10 billion, which is why shares have fallen. According to reports, Musk also intends to resign as CEO of Tesla. James Murdoch, a board member of Tesla, claims that Musk is thinking about leaving his role as CEO of the company. In response to a question about whether he had selected Tesla's new CEO, Murdoch said Musk had chosen a person in the previous few months but had not disclosed it. It seems that Musk no longer wants to be the CEO of any of his businesses, and he is also looking for a president for Twitter. Even while this could seem like a horrible idea, it might end up being a wise choice, although it's unclear if Musk will leave Tesla right away. It's apparent that he will continue to play a significant role in the business. Instead of calling himself a businessman, the genius has frequently referred to himself as an engineer. According to him, most people believe he spends too much time on business or media-related activities, but in actuality, he spends about 80% of his time developing and producing cutting-edge items. Musk stated, "I am in charge of the rocket engineering at SpaceX and the technology in the cars that makes them work at Tesla. Therefore, although the president title is frequently perceived as having a business focus, my position is more like to that of an engineer, since I design technology, make sure we promote innovation, and assemble teams of outstanding engineers who can accomplish these objectives." Musk's new endeavor could appear to be an attempt to divert attention away from Tesla, but it might end up being a profitable investment. After Musk names a new president for the social media network and returns his attention to his other ventures, he may be able to get Twitter to start making a sizable profit, which would also benefit Tesla. Undoubtedly, a lot is going on with Tesla, but the business is headed in the right direction. It is expected to do better in the future. What do you think? Tell us below. Additionally, you can tap on the next movie on your screen to learn more about what Tesla has been up to in recent days. I'll see you there.